Welcome back, Dragons. Long time no see. We hope you had a good Lunar New Year and with your friends and family.
There's been a lot going on lately, and we are excited to share everything with you.
That's true. KISJ Middle School recently wrapped up exploration. This is a time for students to work on passion projects and expand their skill sets.
During exploration, students also go on various field trips, join workshops, and attend presentations by guest speakers.
Jean, Soyeon, and Minna talked to some students about their passion projects.
Tell us more about your passion project. What do you do?
So my passion project is about creating a YouTube channel about reviewing and eating different ramen.
Oh, ramen. That sounds really yummy.
Yeah, it's delicious and it's really fun.
What skills did you have learned from this passion project?
I learned about planning and yeah.
That sounds fun. Best of luck. Thank you.
I'm doing an Arduino project where I'm making an Arduino that can sense temperature and humidity.
That sounds cool. What are some skills you have learned so far?
Because I'm doing Arduino, I'm currently learning how to code C++. So in the end, I'll be able to code C++ for the Arduino.
That sounds cool. Best of luck.
Thank you.
Tell us more about your passion project. What are you doing?
I chose this contemporary writing/poetry manuscript, yeah.
What are some skills you have learned so far?
To be honest, I haven't learned a lot of skills, but I did learn a lot about time management and what I can do in a certain period of time.
That sounds cool. Best of luck.
It's cool to see what students were working on. Over to Joy, Minha, and Thomas to learn more about some of these workshops the students have attended.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Chloe in the 8th grade.
Which strand are you in?
I am in the Help Others strand.
What has been your favorite workshop so far?
My favorite workshop was the guest speaker with Mr. Doogie Kim, I think. The reason behind this is because he provided us with a great insight on what entrepreneurship can look like and how it looks like to build your own business.
How is your passion project coming along?
My passion project is coming along great, and I'm very grateful that KISJ has provided me with the opportunity to explore my passions in a deeper level.
Wow, thank you for your interviewing. Enjoy the rest of exploration.
My favorite workshop so far would probably be the one where one of the owners of a restaurant near here, Pasta Salt, came in because I found it very interesting how he ran the business.
How is your passion project coming along?
It's going along good. I've just finished and now I'm working on some other stuff from home.
Thank you for interviewing. Enjoy the rest of the exploration.
Thank you.
Mumbukwan School also happened during exploration. Everybody in our community read the book The Seventh Most Important Thing by Shirley Pershaw.
Chenny, Claire, and Jake talked to some of the students to find out what they thought about the book.
Hello, what's your name?
Daniel.
So right now we're on an exploration week, and have you liked the OBOS book so far?
Yeah, it's pretty good, and I plan on reading it again.
Oh, why do you like the book?
I like it because of its theme and its stories, and the characters are all they all suit well in the book, in my opinion.
I agree. Oh, who's your favorite character?
My favorite character is Mr. Hampton because he is very creative, and I think that is very good to be, and I would also like to be very creative.
Right then, enjoy the rest of the book.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Sadie.
Have you enjoyed the book, the OBOS, so far?
Yeah, I love the book.
Oh, then can you tell me why?
Because the characters, Arthur, Jongben, they're very fun and fascinating.
Can I ask you, who's your favorite character in the book?
My favorite character is Arthur because he have a lot of thoughtful mind and he's very, just good.
I agree too. Then enjoy your rest of the book. Bye. Did you enjoy the book, which is OBOS, this year?
Yeah, I enjoyed it a lot.
Can you tell me why?
I think it helps us look back for our important things, such as friends or family, like the main characters' feelings and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, I totally agree. Then can you tell me who's your favorite character in the book?
My favorite character in the book is like the main character author because he becomes mature during the story.
Yeah. Enjoy the rest of the book. Bye. Thank you.
I really enjoyed reading The Seventh Most Important Thing with my friends.
Yeah, it has some really cool life lessons in it for all of us. This quarter has been busy with KISJ events.
Yes, over to Chenny who interviewed some students that took part in KISJ events.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Holly.
What sport did you play in quarter 2?
I was in the volleyball team.
Yeah, then what was your most memorable memory during the KISJ?
One of the most memorable things was spending time with my roommates and planning for tomorrow's events.
Oh, that sounds really fun. Then what sport do you want to do next quarter?
For the next season, I applied for track and field.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Harry.
What sport did you play in quarter 2?
I played table tennis in quarter 2.
Then what was your most memorable memory in KISJ?
I think my most memorable memories in KISJ is that I got to compete with different players from different schools and maybe improve on my skills by learning from others.
Then what sport do you want to play next?
I'm planning to work on track and field this season.
Oh, that sounds fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Chung Kim.
What sport did you play in quarter 2?
I played volleyball.
Then what was your most memorable memory during the KISJ?
The most memorable thought that I have during the KISJ was when we met. The 8 teams all met together at like 10 p.m. like really late to like just discuss about the next game. Like that was really memorable because like we all focused on it there. And also I like the memorable things were like all the games that we played and like just everything. I think it was all memorable.
Oh, it sounds really interesting. Then what sport do you want to play next?
I want to try basketball because I also like signed up for basketball for quarter 3, so I want to be professional at basketball more over.
Okay, thank you for interviewing.
Thank you.
Anson, are you in the mood for a joke?
Oh yes, I'm always ready for a joke.
Over to Giselle, Rose, and Juha for our monthly jokes.
Why did the celebrity bring a pencil to a party?
Why?
To draw attention.
Oh, good one.
What is faster, heat or cold?
Cold?
It's incorrect. It's heat because you can catch a cold.
Why do birds fly south on winter?
They migrate?
Because it's too hard to walk.
That was funny.
Last but not least, we have a lot of birthdays to celebrate.
Yes, over to Giselle, Rose, and Juha for the birthday announcements.
We've got something special in today's forecast. Not a storm, not a cold front, but a celebration.
That's right. We are bringing you the latest birthday alert here at our broadcast.
Oh, I heard that you guys also had your birthday recently. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
I think we can celebrate other dragons' birthdays too. That's nice. First of all, happy birthday to Ara Choi in 6th grade.
Jake Han in 6th grade.
Heina Choi in 6th grade. Thomas and Ido in 6th grade.
Their birthdays are on the same day.
Evan Hipkins in 7th grade. Claire Che in 7th grade.
Uriel Jung in 7th grade.
Donna Kim in 7th grade. Jean Moon in 7th grade.
Guyan Kang in 8th grade.
Vivian Chan in 8th grade. Robin Choi in 8th grade.
Regina Lee in 8th grade.
Last but not least, Steve Moon in 7th grade.
Happy birthday, dragons!
Happy birthday, dragons!
That's it, dragons. Remember to be kind to one another.
And remember to read the weekly.
Till next time,
Bye,
dragons.